What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I'm going to show you what it looks like when a customer receives your order that Printful fulfills. So what I've got here is a test order that I sent to myself. If you guys didn't know, when you sell through Printful, they allow you to do test orders to yourself to view some of the products that you're designing, and they give you a 20% discount and free shipping. So what we're going to look at today is the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt, the Bella Canvas 3413 tri-blend shirt, and the American Apparel 2001 shirt. I'm also going to throw one of my Gildan 64000s in there. So let me open this up real quick and then we can compare the quality of the shirts. Alright, so I forgot to mention the design that you see on my test order is called the packing slip, and Printful lets you design this for free. So I went ahead and I covered up my address and I covered up the store name that I put on my packing slip, but that little tiger face and the thank you, and then I put my store name underneath it, you can do that for free. You just go in Printful to settings and then packing slip underneath settings, and it's specific to your store, so each store can have a different one. Also, they'll include the same logo that you include on the inner, I don't even know what this is called, but I guess this is the true packing slip, along with the products that you ordered. On the flip side, they'll show the return address and whatnot, but I'm going to keep that private because it has my address on it. And also, you might have noticed if you looked at the product list there that I ordered a onesie. So let me unbag these different products and then show you each of them. Alright guys, so first thing, the onesie is pretty cool. So we put our company logo on the onesie. I believe the colors were like white, pink, and baby blue, if I recall correctly, that were available. But it seems, relatively high quality. So coming back over to the t-shirts, this is the Bella Canvas 3413 shirt. I like it because it's soft, super soft. Maybe even softer than the Gildan 64000 soft style. And you can get it in some cool colors. Like I got this aqua blue that I really like. Also, this one came with this note inside of it. Congrats on your new apparel. It's been created with the latest in shirt printing technology. All inks are water-based and eco-friendly. This gives each print a soft, comfortable feel. You may notice some discoloration or off-white residue, but don't worry, this is a special solution used for printing and can sometimes leave marks during the drying process. These are not stains. They'll wash off after the first wash cycle. This only came on the Bella Canvas 3413. I've never seen that before, but it's interesting. Super soft though. Really happy with how that shirt came. The next one is the Bella Canvas 3001. So this is a really popular shirt for selling and print on demand online. Not as soft as the other one, but still came out nicely. I did front and back print, so if you guys are wondering, you can also do that on Printful. I think they let you print on the sleeves as well, but I haven't had anything to put on the sleeves. So, little self-promotion there. Make money while you sleep. I should probably take the emojis off, though. It looks a little tacky with those money emojis, I will say. But I didn't spend too much time on the designs. I should spend more. And then last but not least, the American Apparel. So this one feels pretty much exactly like the Bella Canvas 3001 to me. The fit's probably a little bit different, but got it in this like slate gray. Pretty happy with how it came out. Not really sure how it fits yet because I haven't tried it on. I forgot to mention that the American Apparel shirt smelled very strongly of vinegar when I unbagged it, but not the other two. Not that it has anything to do with American Apparel shirts, but I guess it was just coincidence, or one of the four ended up having the vinegar smell that sometimes these print-on-demand direct-to-garment printers leave. Anyways, these are my 4 Gildan 64000 shirts. I have them in every color, and I love these. I love the fit. I love the softness of it. These are the Gildan 64000 unisex soft style. I've done another video on it in the past. They are very comfortable. They're form-fitting. I'm an athletic build guy. I work out a lot. I look great in this shirt, so I love it for that reason, but I'm going to do a separate video after I wash the shirts that I just unbagged, the Bella Canvas 3001, Bella Canvas 3413, and the American Apparel 2001. And then I'll do like a separate video where I just try them on so you can see the difference in fit and get a better idea of how your customers might like it. I will say that Bella Canvas 3413, the aqua blue, was extremely comfortable and very nicely form-fitting the way I like my shirts. So I may have a little competition for the Gildan 64,000. Anyways, it's still more expensive, so different price point. But that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for checking it out. I'm staying off camera for now because I'm tired. You could probably see it on my face if I turn the camera around. But thanks for checking out this video, and I will see you at the next one.